Urban gardening and composting. Just look for a place in the yard that's going to be out of the way. Along the fence line here, just dug a little hole. And then we'll dump the compost in there. A lot of times there's seeds in here too, so we can make a wild nursery. I'll spread these out so I can see the seeds. Here's some, might as well save these and plant them. Red pepper seeds. We'll make a separate place for these. So just a standard shovel can be used to dig the hole, and then once that's done, you can just use your foot to cover up the compost. And as long as there's no air or light, it'll decompose quickly. And the next layer can go over the top of that. Now I've got all these seeds, avocado, cherry, pepper. I'm going to look for a place to create a nursery bed where I can just spread these seeds out and watch them grow.